All right, let's go. Okay, where's your start line? Yeah. Oh, nice. It goes around the barriers. Oh, that's okay. Hold on, let me adjust this. I don't know if I got everything. Keep going. Oh, I'm glad they made it. All right.
I think your car set up for this, not for this.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Good to see you guys.
Good boy, man.
Yeah.
I didn't know you came out here.
Once in a while. Are we doing it again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I'm already off course. This part I have to be really careful. Oh, tiny car. Oh, you already got me. Okay, I can't see it. Oh no. I'm done. Oh, good job. I want to put lights on it, but I haven't had the time to.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm gonna break them. So.
Yeah. Oh, it cracked. Did I crack it? Were you behind me? Oh, I thought you were ahead. Okay. There. We'll just go around. This part I have to be really careful. Yeah, I didn't. Where are we? Okay. You know what they do in those RC videos? Like, they actually have different terrain.
Yeah.
They have dirt and asphalt and...
Yeah, I mean, I figured out how to make it on dirt with coming with broom and just brushing the dirt and you can see the crack. Yeah, it really depends on the location.
Yeah. Oh, I spun out. Ah, too much. Yeah, this is all about throttle control and
Yeah, and also like my car has like super grippy tires. Yeah.
super grippy.
I've got a ton of power.
Yeah,
So I can brake traction just through power.
what motor are you using?
Of course, 200 kV, but yeah, big.
Okay.
So
Oh, you push me around. I only have a torque tune, so I can go up to speed tune, sport tune, but
no, yeah,
I don't think you need that much power, really.
I mean the power is only things like 4 slides.
Yeah,
Like,
but really you don't like.
and it really depends on the traction you have. Like I've got these tires are too grippy. So I mean, you know, it's certainly fast, but not.
This one I have to slow down.
Can we swap since you want to try my car?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's swap. Okay.
So the frontal is really brutal, so be aware.
Yeah, I think I tried it last time I was here.
I mean, now I'm back to the frontal, so.
Did you? Oh, this turns so much more. Yeah, this is like a lot of. You're gonna be sliding with my car.
No, I love it. I love the sliding.
Yours is for racing. I mean, there's so much control with your car. I'm just gonna be very careful here, but yeah.
I actually prefer your car right now.
I do too, actually.
Your car is more fun to drive. Like I can drive with more style.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's the whole that's the whole point of rally, right? It's like you gotta slide into the corners, and you gotta like.
Yeah, your car is more.
You can be creative.
Has a better balance than mine.
What was your so my front and rear diff are very loose, but I made the center diff very tight, like 60K.
So I don't have a sensitive diff in this.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah, it's just straight.
Oh, no wonder.
And I've got very stiff front.
Stiff front, okay.
Again, it's for my.
For racing, right?
It's more like road.
Yeah, I mean that makes sense.
But I mean, if we are doing this, it would be nice to have a spec tire, like for like we all run the same tires.
Yeah, just rally block tires.
That's, I mean, you can really do like the flick with your car.
Yeah. Yeah, I would just spin out like that.
Like your car is super controllable. Like I can really drive. I can really.
I know.
I can really rally it.
Ah.
These blocks.
Yeah. Why did you draw it through the blocks?
Because that's the point of rally as this.
The obstacles?
Yeah,
Get around the obstacles?
Yeah. You need to like.
These blocks are not very forgiving though.
Well, we're not going fast.
That's true. Yeah, yours is a lot more control, but like you said, it's not as fun. It doesn't have the rally factor.
Yeah, but if I was putting the 40.
But you don't have rally block tires.
No. That's like pure like tarmac racing tires.
Yeah. All right, one more round and then we'll swap back. Yeah, right? You can do all kinds of things with it. I mean, it's perfect for this kind of track. Oh, what the chalk.
Yeah, it's a really nice slide with your car. Like I can really slide it. It's
Yeah,
fun.
I know.
I mean, you noticed it, you know, because you're driving my car. Like, so,
No, I saw the back end. It was good.
like it's really controllable. Yeah, it's amazing. It's
Okay.
amazing. You can really, with like your tires and everything,
Yes.
you can really come to the corner and start to like load it by doing like
Oh, yeah.
left and like bring it back.
Oh,
Just
absolutely.
to swing it. Like, I got too much.
Can you counter steer? I think you can counter
Yeah,
steer,
yeah.
right?
I mean, you want me to like look at? I can show you. I can properly like let me show you.
Hold on. Okay, I got it.
I'm holding. Let's do it on.
Just do it on open or something.
Doing something more open like this one. Like
Yeah.
This. So
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
so you come to the corner.
Yeah.
And you basically dance it, you know?
Yep.
Because when you basically do the counter steer, what I'm meaning is I'm counter steering before the turn. So basically, I'm basically using the spring load to flick it.
Ah, okay.
See what I mean? It's,
Yeah.
it's more like the how is it called?
It's like a reverse drift or something, right?
Oh, it's called the Scandinavian Flick.
Canadian Flick. Scandinavian Flick. Okay. That's sick. That's like a really good driving technique.
So basically, you need to preload the car on the other side.
Are you braking?
So you come to this corner,
Yeah.
and I'm basically going to turn this way. So the car is loaded this way.
Ah, okay. And then you turn back the other way.
Now when I'm turning, the back just goes backwards. And you can counter steer a little bit with it. It would be better with a gyro,
Mm-hmm.
just because you can't really feel the... This has too much front grip. I can't do it with this car at that speed. I could do it with a...
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
It's super fun. And that's something you can just practice, like any piece of... Just take some chokes, just close yourself a small track, quickly, like discreetly somewhere in a corner. And here you go, track yourself.
So much fun.